Hi guys, I want to walk you through what you are going to be doing for today, Wednesday, October 14th. As a reminder, there is no live meeting today. This is giving you all of the information you need for class. And remember that there is still quick write questions. So it is your responsibility to make sure you are checking the quick write. All right, so I want to go over what you're going to be doing and make sure you totally understand what's going on. Today, you should be entirely done or finishing with activity 2 and the slides. And we're beginning activity 3. If you did not get full points on the graph for activity 1, what that means, so if you didn't get full points, you look at that and you're like, wait a second, I did this. Why didn't I get full points? What that means is you probably did not have a graph that increased. For example, if here's our graph, so down here was our dates. So let's just say we have 6/20, 6/29. So remember, these are the dates. It's very difficult to draw with this. And here was our size, so 10, 20, and etc. If your graph went like this, that means that you're showing me right here that your spider shrunk. That doesn't make sense. It didn't shrink. So you were responsible for checking your data and seeing, why did your numbers decrease here? So this is where we have to critically evaluate our work and make sure that what we're doing fully represents what's going on. So again, that was your job to make sure that you were checking that. For today, we are going to be starting activity 3. So just to know that with activity 1 for that graph, that if it went down, you if it went down, you would have lost points. Make sure you are taking your time with activities 2, 3, and 4, because these involve more qualitative answers. And this was one of your questions from your quick write last class, is how does activity 2, in terms of what you're doing, differ from activity 1? In activity 1, you were taking measurements and writing a physical quantity, whereas activity 2, you're observing things and writing down what you observe based on what you know about webs. And activity 2 was looking specifically at the hub. So remember that you are saving all of your answers in Orion's Quest. If you have questions, please attend office hours. Going over here to activity 3, remember your descriptions, just like for 2, should be in 2 to 5 complete sentences, submitting all answers through Orion's Quest. So going over here to our Orion's Quest, let's just log in as a student. Hopefully now that I'm screen sharing, I'm not going to have issue with this. Okay, so we go to Spiders in Space and we should be on activity 3. So this one is specifically looking at the orientation. So you need to take a look at this guy right here. This is telling you a guide to the orientation of the spider. So right here you can see where up, down, right, left, just take a look at this image right here. This is your key. So you can see that here the spider is oriented this direction. So we have to look at the orientation of the spider, the direction it's facing for each, and using this chart to determine the orientation for each date and recording your results using the drop-down menu. So this one, again, we're using some different data in our process. So here we're choosing our direction. So you have this drop down right here. For today, this is all you're doing, is going through activity 3, making sure you're done with all components of activity 2. There will be slides to do for this on Friday. But for today, this part is all you're doing. I'm not giving you any more, so then we should be all caught up and all in the same place on Friday. That is all I have for you today, guys. Have a wonderful day.